Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. LeBron James. Early life and high school career. LeBron Raymone James was born on December 30, 1984, in Akron, Ohio. He is a professional basketball player known as one of the best in the sport's history. LeBron showed his basketball talent at a young age while playing for St. Vincent, St. Mary High School. He led his team to 3 state championships and received many awards, including Parade Magazine's High School Player of the Year. By the time he graduated, he was recognized as the top high school player in the country, averaging 31.6 points per game in his senior year. Rise to professional basketball. In 2003, LeBron was picked first overall in the NBA draft by the Cleveland Cavaliers. He quickly made a name for himself, winning the NBA Rookie of the Year award. Over his career, he played for the Cavaliers, Miami Heat, and Los Angeles Lakers, winning NBA championships with all 3 teams. His mix of size, athleticism, and basketball intelligence helped him become the league's all-time leading scorer in 2023. Major achievements. LeBron has received many awards, including being named NBA MVP 4 times and winning championships in 2012, 2013, 2016, and 2020. He represented the United States in 4 Olympic Games, bringing home gold medals in 2008 and 2012. In 2024, he was proud to serve as the flag bearer for Team USA. Financial success and endorsements. Off the court, LeBron has achieved significant financial success. As of July 2024, his net worth is estimated at around $800 million. He is one of the highest-paid players in the NBA, with major endorsements from brands like Nike, Coca-Cola, and Beats by Dre. Philanthropy and entertainment ventures. LeBron is also dedicated to helping others. He started the LeBron James Family Foundation in 2004 to support children and single-parent families. The foundation works on projects like building playgrounds in low-income areas and offering educational programs. In addition to basketball, LeBron has acted in movies like Trainwreck and Space Jam: A New Legacy. He co-founded SpringHill Entertainment, which allows him to expand his influence beyond sports. LeBron James is not only celebrated for his achievements in basketball but also for his charitable work and social activism. His legacy continues to inspire many people around the world.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.